Hi, this is Adriana, and this is another video for SalesVision 100-day video challenge, and this is again about earthing and living longer and better. So anti-aging medicine involves the search for factors that can restore and maintain adequate energy resources and the circulation of vital energy throughout the body. This quest has been going on with humans throughout history. It's nothing new. Our research clearly shows that grounding has a powerful influence on the delicate balance between health and illness, and looming behind that the prospect of living longer and better. This anti-aging prospect is clearly one of earthing's most attractive aspects. The dominant theory of aging, the concept of free radical oxidative damage to the body, was first proposed by Dr. Harmon of the University of Nebraska in 1956. The idea here is that aging results from the cumulative damage of to the body produced by free radicals. These molecules can damage DNA, leading to mutations and disease. They're formed by metabolic processes in mitochondria, the power plants inside cells, and can gradually harm mitochondrial functioning and energy production throughout the body. They cause cross-linking of proteins, chemical reactions that interfere with normal enzyme activity. This is what causes skin to wrinkle, for example. There's no way to prevent the formation of free radicals because every breath we take and every morsel of food we eat feeds the natural mitochondrial production of energy and free radicals as a byproduct. Because of the constant threat of free radicals, we are encouraged to eat foods rich in antioxidants. The living matrix, as one of its main biological functions, is set up to protect tissues from free radical damage. It represents a natural built-in antioxidant defense system. The matrix is all-pervasive, reaching into every corner of the body. If your matrix functions properly, and if you are connected to Earth, and free radicals anywhere in your body will be neutralized by mobile electrons from the Earth. This idea alone should motivate anyone to connect with the Earth as much as possible, day and night. By understanding that the living matrix is a conductive fabric extending throughout the body, and that grounding connects this system to the Earth and an infinite source of free electrons, one can see that earthing could prove to have far-reaching anti-aging, antioxidant, and anti-inflammaging effects. Long-term controlled animal studies will enable us to verify or refute this profound hypothesis. Research done in Germany has described the matrix in terms of a systemic reservoir of charges designed to maintain electrical balance and supply electrons in times of normal inflammatory need. Earthing provides recharging and keeps the reservoir full. This connection from the Earth dries up the reservoir. So there you have it. So go earthing if you want to live longer and feel better. And it's an anti-aging. So this is another video for SalesVision 100 video challenge. So remember, if you have a business to promote or a product to sell, you need to use this digital marketing agency from SalesVision. So you will find the link in the description below. Thank you for watching. Bye.